We can mold a truck driver in 6 weeks. That's from start to finish, never having been in a truck before.
In our 7 programs, we feature a classroom to help them obtain their permit. We have our 1 week, 2 week, and 3 week short-term, what we consider brush programs. We have a 4 week and 6 week full program that helps them get everything that they need. And then we have our financial aid 1 semester, 20-week course.
That whole ag program is all about getting you prepared for the industry. The Class C license allows you to drive a vehicle that weighs 6,000 pounds. Class B license allows you to drive a vehicle 26,001 pound. A Class A license could be considered basically unrestricted. You can drive lots of weight. That's what the different classes are all about.
You know, it's the whole concept of riding a bicycle. You never forget once you actually get it down. It's not easy in the beginning, but you know, with the right instructors like we have here, and you know, with the time that they put in, and it's also effort on my behalf as well as, you know, any other student. You know, it's all about time and commitment, you know, and it's how much you put into it is what you're going to get out of it.
Go through the whole program, you get a welding certificate, okay, certificate of completion. You also can get 2 qualifications in whatever process you choose. We have a couple that we recommend because you get the most bang for your buck on them. We really like our students to walk away with a couple of qualifications also. It took me to learn how to weld all of those, and it was a long, long time. Here they get it in 9 months.
You'll learn how to do the SMAW high pressure pipe welding like they would use in the oil fields or for ammonia lines or for steam lines like they would in food processing plants. And you also get the sanitary process piping qualification, doing the stainless steel purge welds on the sanitary pipe.
We talk about our success is going to be whatever our student success is, and so if we can make sure that they're successful, we in turn can be successful as well.